Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I have a really fun 3D card using the newest release, Cuddlebug Butterfly Kit, and a sentiment from Happy Moments. To begin, I have pre-stamped and cut the butterflies from the Cuddlebug Butterfly Kit. I'm going to begin by blending some red ink directly onto my card base. I'm going to be using Rocking Red from Catherine Pooler Designs. The red's going to be the focal point for this card, and the butterfly is going to sit on top of this. So just want to do it really dark in the center and then blend out. We're going to move on to stamping the sentiment from Happy Moments using a black ink from Tailored Expressions. You can use any black ink, that's just what I'm using. I'm going to rock it back and forth so I could get a clear impression. Now we're going to move on to placing the actual butterfly. Using flat adhesive, I'm going to center the butterfly and place it over the blended image. Using Copic markers, I'm going to just give this sweet butterfly some blush and fold the wings inside. I'm not going to color the image because it is so detailed already, black and white. Using foam adhesive, I'm going to cut a little strip, place it on the body of the butterfly, and place this over the one you have glued. And there you have it. Thank you so much for sitting along with me on this 3D butterfly card using Cuddlebug Butterfly Kit and Happy Moments from Unity Stamp Company. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.